Hello and welcome. The following video describes one of three dashboards that are available to the general public as well as to regular Camera Club members. If you don't know what a dashboard is, it's basically a single page that allows you to see at a snapshot a lot of what's going on at a particular site. In the case of the Foothills Camera Club, a dashboard allows you to see and give you links to all sorts of different pieces of information. There are three dashboards on the Camera Club website, two versions of the newsletter, and then the home page dashboard for members. The two versions of the newsletter exists for members and one for the general public. To access the newsletter, you simply move your mouse up to the menu on the far left-hand side of the web page, move your mouse to Newsletter, and click it. When the newsletter was first created, this entire process was done by hand. Every month I would assemble all of this information and make it available as a summary page. And then I thought, hey, wouldn't it be a great idea to actually get the website to do this? So now all newsletters are automatically generated. The system looks 2 months into the past and 2 months into the future, gathering up all kinds of different information for your viewing pleasure. For example, there's upcoming events, new events, competition results, new and updated books, and new website links. Again, all of this information is driven entirely by the current date. So right now in October 2010, we look from August the 1st until October 30th, 2010. And we look from the beginning of the month to the end of next month for any upcoming events or upcoming items on the website. Upcoming events, for example, lists everything that occurs from October the 1st until November the 30th, and simply allows you to look at any of the individual events that are available to you and allows you to scroll through them as a list. This page mimics the calendar event feature of the website, which I'll describe in greater detail in a different video. There are three major links on this page. The first one, the little 2000 calendar, allows you to generate an Outlook event entry. You can look at individual dates, and you can also look at the different types of events by summary. New events allows you to see all of the events that have been added to the calendar in the past 2 months. So these three events have been added since August the 1st and up until October 30th. Competition results allow you to see all the new competition results that have been added. Updated new books allows you to see any books, and books basically is what the website calls the wiki. As well, you get to see a list of all the new website links that have been added in the past 2 months. So you don't have to scan through all of the information on the website for all the links. You can go to one spot and see all the new links that have been added to the website in the past 2 months. This dashboard for the newsletter is available to the general public. So all of this information is what the general public gets to see in a simple snapshot of what's going on the website. Members actually get a little bit more information. So let's first log on to the website. I'll ignore this dashboard information for now and look at the newsletter section. And you'll notice there's one additional section that's been added, and that's all of the upcoming submissions. And this is simply a blanket list of everything that's available to you and possibly other members, and you can have a quick look at what's there. So it's a very quick, easy view of all of the upcoming submissions for the next 2 months. This list works regardless of whatever your settings are for submissions, and that will be discussed in a different video. If at any time you want to submit to the submissions, click this button, and you're instantaneously taken to the Manage Open Submissions section, and allows you to now enter any of the competitions that you have access to. Now let's talk about the home page dashboard. This is the dashboard, the primary dashboard that members should be using when accessing the website. This dashboard provides you with all kinds of different information about what's going on for members. At the top of this section, you'll see all of the sign-up details available to you. This will list scavenger hunts, competition entries, field trips, etc. that you can basically go to and sign up for. And it's a way of communicating with executive members your interest in the various features and abilities of the website, as well as the things that the club offers. I won't talk about the sign-up process in this video, but basically that's what this feature is for. And you'll see everything that's listed up until the last entry that's been specified. In the middle of this section, there's actually 3 parts. You'll see a whole bunch of different options. In this case, submission groups close up to 100 days in the past. They're available for 45 days. You can change all of this information, and all these options will be discussed at an earlier point. So this basically gives you a list of all the competitions and all the submission entries that you can submit images to. As an executive member, I can review more images than you might be able to review. But basically, a lot of these features are the same for most users. And if you want to add one, you simply click on the appropriate link to add a submission. You're taken immediately to that submission group, and you can begin entering your images. Simply specify the title, specify the file name, and away you go. So to summarize, basically you have the newsletter dashboard and the homepage dashboard. And that concludes this video.